Hello, my name is Randy Cryle. I'm here with my running buddy Snickers, and I want to share my lacing technique for running a marathon in Huaraches. This is what the final lacing looks like, and if it's done right, it'll be just loose enough that you can get your finger underneath here, and you should have the sole sort of floating underneath the ball of your foot like that. You can see a little airspace there. One thing I do a little different is I put a simple slip knot where the lace comes off of the outsole. You can see right here there's a knot that keeps the lacing in check here. So I need about this much lacing from the heel to the toe area and about enough off the heel to wrap around the back of the sandal. I start with my toes nice and far forward. Take this up pretty snug for the first loop. Come around and catch the back of the heel, the heel strap. Pull that up not too tight. And then go back around the ankle the opposite way. That seems to neutralize the tension. And after it goes all the way around, you come back and catch the other heel strap. Come up, catch the toe lacing. The three laces on top should be loose enough to get a finger up in there. Take it up, get it fairly snug, and then tie it off at least twice to keep it from slipping. Once that's on there nice and smooth, you should be able to get in there and loosen everything up a little bit with your fingers, and you're ready to run a marathon, no problem. When I did the marathon last Sunday, I never had to make a single adjustment to either sandal. So it works for me, hopefully it'll work for you.